Assam. It is one of the most picturesque states of northeast India. Its beauty is evident due to the lush green tea estates, Ma Kamakhya pilgrimage, wild forest, sparkling Brahmaputra river, the one-horned rhinoceros, the world's largest riverine island, Majuli, and also for its colorful culture. Assam's economy is fundamentally based on agriculture, with approximately 86% of its total population living in rural areas. Assam is the gateway to the other northeastern states. To strengthen sustainable livelihood, to open doors to possibilities, to nurture self-employment and entrepreneurship among the rural women, Assam State Rural Livelihoods Mission, in short ASRLM, was established on the 11th of November 2011. Assam State Rural Livelihoods Mission aims to alleviate rural poverty and create sustainable livelihood opportunities for rural poor. In this journey of 10 years, with a galloping speed of growth and expansion under ASRLM, 3,08,896 self-help groups, 18,414 village organizations, and 720 cluster-level federations have come into existence, covering 33,58,887 households across Assam, thereby reaching to 81% of its total targeted households. Towards this objective, Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission seeks to promote sustainable community-based organizations which, in due course of time, have become strong grassroots institutions of poor, bringing in social and economic transformation. Financial assistance through means of grants and credit linkages have paved the way of prosperity and boosted the confidence of women working from all stratas of the society. Financial assistance works as a catalyst in encouraging the SHGs to come up with diverse livelihood options. For the last 3 years, a significant milestone has been achieved in terms of credit linkage, with a cumulative amount of approximately rupees 37,000 crores sanctioned to almost 3 lakh self-help groups. In order to protect their family, assets, property and themselves from financial risk and losses, enrolling SHG members in government insurance schemes like PMSBY and PMJJBY has paved new dimensions of economic consciousness. More than 23 lakhs SHG members enrolled in PMSBY, more than 19 lakhs SHG members in PMJJBY schemes. The members of the self-help groups are further amalgamated into approximately 2,800 producer groups under farm sector and almost 34,000 producer enterprises under the non-farm sector. With raising concerns on environmental pollution, organic cultivation has become the necessity for the healthy well-being of humans and animals. Realizing this, more than 20,000 self-help group members have been clubbed together forming 696 local groups for organic cultivation and selling their products in 177 organic outlets across the state. Through the Poshan Vartikas or Nutri Gardens that have been developed, approximately 9.10 lakh SHG members have been growing local crops, vegetables and fruits for self-consumption and selling in the local markets through women-managed Mahila Bazaar. ASRLM is proficient in collaborating with various line departments and allied agencies for the promotion of sustainable livelihoods amongst SHG members in an organized approach. ASRLM is committed to preserve the age-old heritage of Assam by encouraging its SHG members to go for Muga Mezangkari cultivation and Assamese traditional jewelry. Finding marketing spaces for SHG products is a challenge which has been overcome through participation in various national and state-level exhibitions, fairs, e-commerce interventions like Flipkart and Amazon, government e-marketing platforms, SHG retail marts. During the recent festive season of Rongali Bihu, ASRLM organized a Homi Bohagi Mela for a period of 3 days in all the 34 districts of Assam, where a total sale of Rs 201.91 lakhs was recorded. Till date, ASRLM has organized 9 Saras Mela in Guwahati and other districts of Assam with a total sales figure of more than Rs 16 crores. The noble objectives continue to find its way through the hard work of community cadres, sincerity of the mission staff, and dynamic guidance of the government of Assam. A revolution is on its verge for a prolific growth both in farm and non-farm sectors of livelihoods.
I have been doing this organic tea project since 2010 and also started mushroom farming. My earnings are approximately 50,000 per month.
I have taken a loan of 55,000 from CIF.
Then CIF ঋণ হিচাপে লৈছোঁ CIF ঋণ মই 2টা টেংকৰ কাৰণে লৈছোঁ আমি গাহৰি প্ৰতিপালন লৈছোঁ
We are in pig farming business and our earning is 25,000 to 30,000 per month.
With the guidance of ASRLM, we have started this homestay.
ASRLM have given enough help to us for this project Mahabahu Bamboo Cottage. We are thankful for their cooperation.
সহায় কৰিছে আৰু সেই কাৰণে আমি তেখেতলোকক সকলোকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ
In order to achieve the ambitious goal of the Ministry of Rural Development in creating Lakhpati SHG members and ensuring that each rural SHG women earn at least Rs 1 lakh per annum, ASRLM have started tracking the income of SHG members from diverse livelihood practices with the help of an online tracking system where it has been showcasing that approximately 3 lakh SHG members have been able to become Lakhpati Mahila and majority have been able to earn an average of 50 to 70,000 per annum. ASRLM aspires to empower rural SHG women into Lakhpati Mahilas by elevating their psychosocial perceptions along with their economic consciousness. Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission is committed to be a reason to empower, to dream beyond boundaries, to give wings to soar high towards the zenith of success, and aspire towards a greater, better, and amazing Assam.